Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can export all suspended users in Google Workspace using Foresight. You often need a list of the suspended or active users. For example, a manager may need to check that how many users are suspended in a given month. And in a professional environment, time is very important. Although Google Admin has the feature to export the suspended users, it doesn't provide the option to email the manager. While in Foresight, we'll export the users and send the list to the manager at the same time. So, let's see how Foresight works in this scenario. Step 1. Sign into your Foresight account with your Google Admin account. Step 2. Go to the Rule page and click on the New Rule button. Step 3. Select Manual Trigger. This trigger starts by manually clicking on the rule card. We'll see that in the video. Step 4. Select List User Action from all the available actions. Step 5. Here will a bunch of settings. The first thing is, you need to grant Foresight permission if you see Request Access Permission or Access Expired. The next field is Columns. These are the columns that you want to export. You can add or delete columns as you like. We'll only select Email, First Name, and Last Name. The next two fields are related to sorting. You can get the exported users in Sort by Email form. You can also order them in ascending or descending order. Here we'll select Email and Ascend. In the next field, you can select Deleted Users. We will set it to False. Please note that you have a help icon on the right side of every field to learn about the purpose of the field if you have any confusion. The next field is Organizational Unit. We'll leave it empty. After that, we have the field of the direct manager's email. The purpose of the field is to export users related to a particular manager. We'll leave that too. Then we have a field named User Suspended. This field is very important because here we'll define if we want to export active or suspended users. Select True to export suspended users. The last two fields are related to security checks of two-factor authentication. We'll leave them empty. Step 6. Click on the Add Next action. Step 7. Select Email action. Step 8. Enter the email where you want to send this data. Enter subject. Fill in the email body. Here don't forget to insert the CSV file link. For that, type double curly brackets and select the user CSV download link. Step 9. Click Review. Step 10. Enter the name of the rule and click Create. Step 11. As you can see, the rule is created. Click on the play button to trigger the rule manually. As you can see in the log, that rule is executed successfully. Also, the manager received an email with the CSV attached link. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.